Hi, this is a West Contra Costa Unified School District instructional video to help you get started with the Big Ideas Learning digital platform, and today we're looking at assignments. To get started, you would go up to the Assignments tab, click on that, and then go over to Create an Assignment. After you've clicked on Create an Assignment, you can see this horizontal menu of the different chapters that are available in the 6th grade book. This is a 6th grade book right here, along with, for example, benchmark tests. And since we're just getting started, we're in Chapter 1, Numerical Expressions and Factors. And I'm going to start right here with Section 1.1, Whole Number Operations, and I'm going to create an assignment. So I pressed Assign, clicked on Assign. Over here you have Add an Assignment, and this, by clicking on this, you get a series of steps that you need to complete to assign work to your students. The first thing I'm going to do is choose a set of problems. You can choose all the problems. You can choose the odd, the even, or you can choose what Big Ideas has created as a basic set of problems for this assignment, an average set of problems, an advanced set of problems. You can also go back to none and choose just a custom set that you think would be best for your students to complete at this time. So that's what I've done. As you go down here, you have some other options related to this assignment. For example, I can give the students access to resources that will help them to complete the assignment independently, along with live tutor access. The live tutor access gives the students access to a grad student who will help them complete their answers by using the Socratic method. So the live tutor will give the students hints, tips, and kind of push them in the right direction, but won't give them the answer to the question. And only questions that have this orange asterisk are questions that students can get help with from the live tutor. And I've given them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions that they can get help with, and 1, 2, 3, 4 questions they'll have to complete on their own. They don't need a calculator for this particular set, but you can give them that option. You can also give them access to Desmos, but they don't need either of those. For this particular assignment, the students will be able to see how they did on submission when they submit their work. If it was a quiz, I might want to say that they have to wait until I give them their results, but it's not a quiz, so I'll give them the opportunity to see how they did when they submit their work to me. I can also set the check answer limit, which means that they'll have a number of times that they can check to see if their answer is correct or not. I'm going to give them a limit of 3 times that they can check their answer. I can also preview my assignment, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to click Next and choose my students. I'm going to choose all my students because I want all of them to do this. Go Next. When you click Choose a Start Date, automatically it sets as the day of and time that you make this assignment. You might want to reset that start date or start time. The due date is automatically, the default is 24 hours from the start date, which is fine with me. I want my students to finish this by this afternoon. So that's great. I'm going to choose Next, and I can change this. I can name this version, and I'm going to name it Mr. Mercury's Class 1.1. I can also put a message like, don't forget to show your work in your math notebook. There we go. That's my message to my students. They'll see that when they open up this assignment. If I had period classes, for example, if this was my first period and I wanted my second and third period classes to do the same assignment, I could add additional classes so that I don't have to repeat this series of steps every single time. This is a 6th grade class. It's my only class, so I'm not going to need to do that, but it is an option. And then what I would do is click Add to Queue, and I would be able to then assign that work to every student in my class. That's the end of my video on how to assign work to your students. Thanks for watching, and good luck.